Hi everyone, this is Oscar here again from Liwaliw Travels, and today guys, share ko po itong aking presentation sa inyo. 4 ways to earn with us, yung ating pinopromote about travels and e-commerce platform po. How to become a travel agent or a franchise travel agent with us, no? And also, dinagdag natin yung e-commerce platform, and malalaman nyo yan later on as we explain further about itong business opportunity na sinashare namin sa inyo. We are so excited na i-share to sa inyo. It is actually a two in-demand industries, no? One income opportunities with ang daming surprises na ibibigay namin sa inyo. And without further ado, we're gonna jump in first to our presentation, and of course, magpapakilala muna kami who we are, yung background namin, saan po kami nanggaling. Anyway, my name is Oscar Sisante, founder of the Liwaliw Travels. Actually, we have an office here in Calgary, Alberta, as you can see here at the New Horizon Mall. So we started in there, I think, probably 2021, no? Medyo bago pa lang kami, but sa awa ng Diyos, we really scale up our business sa travel industry. And currently, marami na tayong mga sub-agent and also franchisee na nag-join sa ating platform, no, sa ating business travel agency. And for 2025 marketing proposal na makikita nyo dyan, no, meron kaming office motorhome na we really wanted to have an office, no, on the go na gagawin namin for 2025, but it's still in the process, no, kasi marami pang dapat ayusin. Anyway, the reason for doing that is we wanted to lift yung ating mga agents, no, kumbaga isakay sila sa amin, no, bilang main main carrier ng travel sa Liwaliw po, no. So yun po ang purpose ng ating binabalak na yan, marketing plan, no, for 2025 po, no. So as we go along po, diretso po tayo, no, dito sa ating mission, vision, and advocacy, no. So sino nga ba talaga kami, no? As you will notice, yung aming pangalan is Liwaliw. Actually, when I first started that, yun talaga yung objective ko, no, to target yung ating mga kapwa Pilipino all over the world, no, yung global, no, na matulungan yung ating mga kababayan na mga nagtatrabaho sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, which is we're doing it right now, no. Yan ang ating mission, to help Filipinos to have an accessible travel, no. Mainly yung target nating niche na Pilipino, kaya kung mapapansin nyo, yung Liwaliw, coming from the word Liwaliw, to travel or parang maggala or something like that, no. So that is how Liwaliw came up, no. And also in the past, yung ating vision and advocacy na we experience yung may mga lumalapit sa ating kapwa natin Pilipino na due to the compassionate ground, umuwi sila, and para i-honor yung mga namayapa, no, mga aksidenteng namatayan, pero hindi nila ma-afford yung kanilang expenses kasi 5 tao sila, no, and maraming beses na nangyari sa amin yon. So we came up dun sa idea na sana in the future mangyari yun, no, yung aming charity funding, no, para tumulong sa mga kapwa natin na Pilipino na makauwi, no, sa mga merong issue ng compassionate ground, no, na hindi makayanan yung price ng ticket. Obviously mahal kasi 5 tao sila, and it end up na ang umuwi na lang is 1 tao. So yun yung ating isa sa advocacy na sana mangyari and make happen na in the future, no. So suportahan niyo po kami tungkol diyan. Anyway, as we go along, First, what do you need? Of course, siyempre, yan yung mga itatanong nyo. What do you need to become a freelance travel agent? Of course, you need to register dito sa ating course, no, to become a freelance travel agent. You need to register, and it's only not really that much. It's only cost like 595, no, one-time payment to access the full video training, no, about how you can start sa freelance travel agent. And after doing that, we have a portal system and website that you need to activate, and it's only cost $50 a month. Compared to other host agency, mga mas mamahal pa yung mga ino-offer nila. So our price is really very affordable, and I'll explain that further later as we go along dito sa ating slide presentation. So, upon purchasing the masterclass course, of course, we advise them na tapusin nila yung full video tutorials, no, para pag dumating yung time na nagbubuking na sila ng mga client nila, kabisado na nila, hindi na sila magtatanong-tanong sa amin. Of course, syempre, tuturuan pa rin namin kayo, tutulungan pa rin namin kayo, but it's better to, have finish all the required video tutorial, and makakatulong po to sa inyo, no? So, after that, join our FB group. It is essential na sumama kayo sa group namin kasi marami kayong matututunan, especially sa marketing, no? We teach about marketing in there, especially sa Facebook ads. And once you've done with everything, you're gonna have a one-on-one meeting with me, explaining further about the use of our portal system po sa pagbubook sa ating mga client. Okay? And here is the great thing going on right now. As you all know, na nabanggit ko na ang ating standard price is $595. So, we have a promotion going on right now, but take advantage of it, guys. It's only cost $195 at the moment kasi we have a promotion for only 1 month. So take note, only 1 month. So it's not gonna last kasi it's just a 1-month promotion na ino-offer namin. And after that, back to normal na po, which is yung 595 po. So take advantage po sa aming generosity, no? Aside from that, we add another business. Yung sineshare ko at lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo about the e-commerce dropshipping, no? So, binabaan na namin ang presyo, nagdagdag pa kami ng produkto na ma-share o mabibigay namin sa inyo. So, we only want to give value to you all, guys. So, take advantage po sa mga opportunity na sineshare namin sa inyo because it's not gonna last. It's 1 month only. Okay? Okay, ito na yung mga tanong. How you can get started, siyempre. Of course, you need to register, no? Registered or purchase our exclusive travel masterclass course or take advantage of our promotion na mga ino-offer. Gaya nitong 195 sa ngayon, no? And then get immediate access to your masterclass portal. Yun yung sinasabi ko na video na mapapanood nyo po online on your time space, no? And after that, we set up everything to you in ang mga portal system nyo, website, and everything. Again, join our community, our Facebook page, no? Para mas lumawak yung inyong kaalaman sa aming mga sineshare doon, ano? And again, after that, of course, obviously, you're gonna start selling, no? After all those procedure na ginagawa namin to onboarding our student, okay? So, you might ask, what's included in our promotion dun sa 195, no? This is something na hindi nyo makikita sa iba, no? Sa mga ibang host agency na maaring nag-inquire na kaya, no? So, for a one-time payment package ng ating 195 na promotion, you will get the Travel Agent Masterclass course. Ito na, yung sinasabi naming e-commerce platform, yung lifetime Live Good membership, and we'll explain that further later, no? Activation fee, Live Good Wave Forever, no? So mamaya masusurprise kayo kung ano po yung sineshare namin sa inyo na yan na e-commerce platform. And again, lifetime travel portal and website access, no? Sa iba po, if you gonna enroll sa mga other agency na mga kilala natin kahit na nasa Pilipinas, you have to pay every 2 years, no? Kasi nag-i-expired yung kanilang packages, no? So sa atin, one-time payment only, you can have access lifetime po, no? And another great value dito sa ating affiliate program mismo dito sa masterclass course that we give away, no? So we give more to you guys, no? So take advantage po ito, yung ating fast track bonus onboarding rewards, and malalaman mo yan after this slide, no? And lastly, yung ating access to monthly rewards program, and you will surprise kung ano po yon, no? Dito sa ating next slide. Okay, so ito yung aking sinasabi sa inyo na we are giving back more to you. Yung sa subscription nyo na $50 every month only, no? Marami kayong makukuha gaya na nga ng sinasabi namin kanina, yung travel booking portal, business marketing tools, member support, yung ating referral base rewards program. Mamaya mas malilinawan nyo pa yan as we go along, yung ating video tutorial at lifetime access sa Live Good, no? Which is wala po kayong makikitang ibang ganyan na nagbibigay ng offer po. As I've mentioned, 100%. Wala po kayong makikitang ganyan. Again, the two portal system na binibigay namin with complimentary website identical to us. Kung ano yung sa amin, yun din ang makukuha nyo, no? And another thing is the $25 rewards program na fast track bonus. Malilinawan niyo yan mamaya as I go along dito sa next slide. And lastly, yung massive rewards, $10 monthly, na once you purchase the masterclass course, automatic meron kagad kayong $10 na babalik sa inyo every month. Wala pong ganyang nag-o-offer any host agency na pwedeng ibalik yung inyong binabayad. So, as long as you are continue paying the monthly $50, you will get all the perks that we are sharing with you po. So, okay, moving along. Ano yung benefit, no, na makukuha nyo kapag ni-repair nyo ang ating masterclass course, which is yan yung ating affiliate referral program. Okay, once, let's say, someone na magtanong sa inyo na paano ba yung ginagawa mong business about travel, and then nagka-interest sila na gawin din nila, and then you offer the masterclass course alone, right? For every referral na matatanggap mo or ma-share mo sa iba, you will get a $25 one-time payment na mapupunta sa'yo doon sa binabayad nung pinag-sharean mo na $195 doon sa enrollment fee nila. Right away, no, makakaltas yung $25 papunta sa'yo. Yun po yung ating fast start bonus na sinasabi, no? And what's another thing that wala kayong makikita sa iba ng ganitong programa, no? Every referral na maibibigay nyo, gaya nung let's say may nagtanong sa inyo, for every referral na makuha nyo sa bawat i-join nyo, you will earn $10 monthly. Take note, monthly po. Kung nag-refer kayo ng 3 tao, you have, let's say, 3 members, you will get a total of, kasi kasama na yung $10 dun sa inyo na nung upon enrolling nyo nung masterclass pa lang sa amin, meron na kayong $10. So, kung meron kayong 3, you will get $40. Ngayon, ganito, kung meron kayong 5 members, no, yung $10 nyo plus 5 is 50, magiging $60. So, naturally, you will get $60. So, yung inyong binabayaran na monthly na $50 is na-waive na po. Kasi, yung members na sumama sa inyo, you will get a regular $60 every month na ibabalik namin sa inyo. So, basically, yung inyong binabayad na yung inyong binabayad na $50 monthly, I think after a few months, mawe-wave na po yun. Wala na pa kayong babayaran. So basically, yung inyong initial fee na $195 is nakukuha nyo rin dun sa $25 na fast track bonus na nakukuha nyo sa bawat member na maibibigay nyo sa amin. So basically, you take this opportunity na magkaroon ng sarili nyong business for free. Nada, halos totally wala kayong binayaran. Let's say after a few months na nagawa nyo, na execute nyo yung pag-share man lang kayo ng at least 5 members na nagka-interest din na matuto dyan sa business na kinuha nyo po sa amin. So, umpisa pa lang yan. So, let's go further about this program that we are sharing with you. Ano yung pagka-special nitong program na binibigay namin sa inyo? Okay, so you don't need to pay the Live Good membership. Kung di nyo po natatanong, ang Live Good membership po is they have a way that you can able to earn dun sa programa nila by just being a member, no? So, yan po yung idinagdag namin sa inyo na eventually as we discuss everything, malalaman nyo kung gaano kahalaga yung pagiging member sa Live Good po, no? And another thing is the passive recurring income opportunity na makukuha nyo dito sa lahat ng isineshare namin. Learn a profitable skill set. Yan po yung sa travel. Matututo po kayo kung paano kayo kumuha o mag-book ng mga someone who are really interested na sa kanilang mga travels, packages, and everything. So, yan po yung isang bagay na malaki. No? Yan yung aming main business na isineshare sa inyo. And also, you are creating yung sa iba na magkaroon sila ng business opportunity rin kung na-share nyo itong business na isineshare namin sa inyo, no? Another thing is yung you will be ranked in Live Good Affiliate Program. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung bilang Live Good membership. We have a training every Tuesday na we encourage you na panoorin kami with Reynold about all this program na sineshare namin sa inyo. So, basically, it is simple, sustainable, and scalable type of business itong aming binibigay po sa inyo. So, let's go and move further. Okay. So, ano yung kaibahan namin sa ibang other hosting agency as a travel agency? Let's go focus on the travel agency first, no? Okay, so makikita nyo rito yung what set us apart from other travel agent hosting company. So dito, makita nyo yung Nexion, which is popular in Canada and the US. Meron silang split share na sinasabi, gaya ng, kung di ko pa nabanggit sa inyo, yung ating 80-20 split, no? Yung 20% napupunta sa amin as host agency, 80% is napupunta dun sa ating mga travel agent. So sa kanila, sa Nexion, they only give, I think, 40-60, meaning 40 yung nakukuha nila, no? And then 60 lang ang natitira dun sa travel agent, which is malaki ang diferensya, no, compared to what we offer. We are really generous about itong aming isineshare sa inyo. compared to them, no? At pansinin nyo yung kanilang activation fee which cost 2,295. Samantalang sa amin, I think it's a fraction of a price, no? Halos 595 lang in-offer natin on standard price, right? So, malaki po yung kaibahan, pero yung aming ibinibigay is more what they give, no? Mas malaki yung aming binibigay kaysa sa yung ito sa company na to na binibigay nila na halos parehas lang sa amin. And their membership is like almost $49 pero US dollar po yan, no? So dito, makikita niyo po yung Go Travel. I actually enrolled there, no? Sa agency na yan. I paid around $500 and $50 monthly rin yung binayaran ko. Pero hindi ako na-satisfied kasi yung hinahanap kong learnings, no, hindi ko nakuha sa kanila. I think they offer me siguro isang beses lang na meeting sa kanila and explain yung about the business. After that, wala na. So, malaki yung kakulangan na learnings, no? So, I decided na mag-research and pag-aralan more further about travel. And then, yun nga yung ating isineshare sa inyo at ibinibigay namin sa aming mga travel agent po, no? So, di hamak na mas malaki yung naibibigay namin at more value yung ibinibigay namin sa aming mga student. Kaya ako nakakapagsalita rito sa inyo in all honesty doon sa mga na-experience ko sa mga agency na yan po, no? So, moving along. Ito, you might gonna ask yung difference ng freelance sub-agent and a franchise travel agency. So, malaki po yung difference na, no? Dito sa aming programa. Yung freelance sub-agent kasi, yung ini-explain ko kanina sa inyo, yung magbebenta lang sila ng mga packages, mga ticket, which is yun yung pinurchase na masterclass course, yung video tutorial po, no? Paano mag-start sa business ng travel agency. But being a franchise travel agency is actually different kasi we give them the full authority of the intellectual property, no? Yung ano yung ginagawa namin, ganun din yung mapupunta sa kanila. It's a white label type of business. What I'm trying to say is what I'm trying to say, di ba na alam nyo na meron kaming binibenta na 595 na course, no, about masterclass. So if they become a franchise travel agency, yung mismong earnings sa masterclass course is mapupunta na sa kanila, no? And another thing is yung passive income na tina-charge namin as regular, yung regular lang na freelance travel agent which costs $15 lang kung wala yung promotion namin, is sa kanila na mapupunta. Plus the 80-20 split. Yung sabihin, yung 20% na pupunta sa host agency, yung 80 dun sa mga travel agent po, no? So, yan yung opportunity, mas malaking opportunity na napupunta if you become a franchise travel agency po, no? And also yung affiliate program na di hamak na mas malaki yung kanilang kinikita compare as a freelance sub-agent po. So, I will explain further yung tungkol po dyan, no? Ito yun, we just wanted to elaborate, no, yung sinasabi sa franchise travel agency. Let's say, sila nakapag merong kumuha rin ng kanilang course, no, at they wanted to become a freelance travel agent, no. Yung earnings na 595, no, kung meron silang 5, dito lang ini-explain, magkakaroon sila ng earnings na 2,975 doon pa lang sa masterclass course nila, no. So, balik, since sa kanila na yon, maibebenta talaga nila, no. And also, doon sa earnings na normally kapag walang promotion, ang charges natin dyan is $15 a month lang para sa website and portal. So, sa kanila na mapupunta yon plus the 80-20 split. So, pinapakita lang namin dito sa inyo yung further explanation about yung makukuha nilang earnings kapag naging franchise travel agent na po kayo, no? We encourage you to avail our franchise travel agency para mas malaki po ang chance nyo to earn dun sa aming programa na yon, no? So, okay. How to get started? Tatanungin nyo. Kasi may mga nag-inquire sa amin, tinatanong, Sir, paano po mag-franchise? So malaki pong difference yun, no? Yung franchise travel agency at saka freelance travel agent. So it's two different thing po. Yung franchise is they need to avail our price na makikita nyo rito. Meron tayong economy, premium, and also the business class, which is yung sa economy, it's $8,000, no? So what they're gonna do is they will have to have a $2,000 down payment, $250 yung monthly for 24 months, and $50 hosting fee every month. Continuous po yan kasi yan yung sa programa natin. Ngayon, kung premium naman, they have to have a down payment of $1,500, 283 yung payments sa 24 months, and $50 pa rin yung hosting, plus yung business na 8,500 na ang down payment is 1,000 lang, and they will pay 312 for 24 months, as of course yung paring $50 monthly na i-cover nila for hosting po. Ngayon, ganito naman, kung ang situation nyo is first, nakabili kayo ng masterclass course with us, which costs normally $595. You can upgrade for becoming a franchise travel agent by only paying yung monthly na lang. You don't need to put a down payment, and absorb na lang po yung inyong monthly payment for 24 months or 2 years po. Then, you will be able to become a franchise travel agent po. Yun po yung ating ino-offer. So, basically, the price base is $8,000 po to become a franchise travel agency. So, moving along. Ganyan. So, ito po. So, ito po kasi, no, we always want to give, value to our clients, so our agents, no, sa mga gustong mag-business, no. So, we have a massive promotion going on right now, no. If you purchase the franchise travel agency, we have a promotion of only $5,000 full payment, meaning if they purchase a one-time payment via cash or their credit card, you will save at least $3,000 savings dun sa inyong bibilin na franchise travel agency po. So if let's say I wanted to start a business and meron din lang akong funding, of course, no, I would grab yung 5,000 kasi mas malaki yung masasave ko po, no? So, I saved $3,000 if it was me. So, anyway, take advantage po yung aming ino-offer na yan. So, moving along, ano yung aming ino-offer? No, yung ating portal system, yung ating programa, yung ating travel mismo. Okay? We are modern, no? Moderno yung ating sistema ng travel portal system. Hindi po kami yung katulad sa iba na they have to fund the wallet portal. Maski ngayon nangyayari yan, may mga agency ganyan. Magpa-fund muna sila dun sa kanilang portal system to book a client or book yung mga client nila, no? So which is hindi po tayo ganyan. We have a modern API system, supplier integration to our website, that we can able to accept major credit card as well as cryptocurrency ngayon, no, sa ating portal system. So the services we have is flights, rental cars, hotel, tours, and cruises po, no. So yan yung ating mga services na ino-offer sa ating mga kliyente as well as your client kung you're gonna join with us, no? Okay, so I'm just gonna run a quick parang testimony dito sa ating mga previous na nag-avail ng franchise and testimonies from our agent, no? Hindi po tayo makapaglagay ng marami kasi otherwise maubos po ang oras natin. So, pakinggan niyo lang po yung kanilang sinasabi.
I am a franchise with this travel agency under the leadership of Sir Oscar. Launching a business was my goal ever since, but I was actually worried about the cost and risk. But this travel agency is a game changer because of its flexibility in terms of payment and affordability. Also, it's a perfect business for those who would like to start from home. What truly sets this apart is that Sir Oscar has always been very hands on and he's always there to help you whenever you have questions. He's actually genuinely concerned and committed to our success. Within 2 months, I was able to generate around $10,000 in ticket sales. And the 80/20 commission is actually one of the most generous I've seen. Another perks of having like your own travel agency is the accessible or accessibility to different travel portals that actually makes it easy for me to find the best deals not only for my clients but also for my own family travels. So if you're looking for a business that is practical, rewarding, I highly recommend this travel agency. So if you want to know more about it, feel free to message us. Hi everyone, my name is Anna.
So, yun po, no, makikita po yung ating mga testimonies sa ating mga previous agent or client, no? So, moving along, itong kanina ko pang sinasabi about affiliate referral program, no? So, sa mga hindi pa po nakakarinig sa inyo, as I've mentioned, hindi po kami MLM or multi-level marketing, no? We have a referral program system na ibig sabihin kung anyone na makapag repair sa ibang tao na nangangailangan din ng ganitong klaseng business is magkakaroon po kayo ng commission through the process of the referral program po na ginagawa namin sa aming system. And para mas malinawan niyo po, meron akong short video rito that explain a little bit further about what is affiliate referral program po.
Mastery.com, and in this video I'm going to explain to you what affiliate marketing is and break it down into plain, easy to understand English for dummies. Now, affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting someone else's product or service. Okay, so by you promoting someone else's product or service, by using what is called an affiliate link, okay, which is a link that you can get from a company, a product or service, someone clicks on that link and they go ahead and buy, you can earn a commission from that.
Yun po. So, narinig niyo po yung affiliate link kasi meron tayong system sa ating website. Kayo po mismo magkakaroon kayo ng sarili niyong website where we have your affiliate link code na kapag may bumili dun sa online or even sa promotion nyo na sineshare sa kanila, automatic magkakaroon po kayo ng commission dito sa lahat ng program na ginagawa namin. So basically, you share it, someone purchase, you'll get commission po. Yun, ganun po lang kasimple yun, no?
Mastery.com.
Okay. Commission, freelance travel agent between franchise travel agent. Ito yung sa ano na natin sa referral program, no? Okay, when someone purchase the masterclass course, you will earn the para sa mga freelance travel agent ito, ha. They will get a fast track bonus and rewards program. Yan yung $25 plus $10 na makukuha nila plus yung Live Good affiliate link nila is nagra-ranking po, no? So, let's say kung meron naman makabenta sa it's either freelance travel agent or franchise travel agency na makapagbenta ng franchise mismo, which is ito, yung ating $8,000, no? Let's say, may makakita sa inyo, ginagawa nyo, and then mag-ask sila, paano ba yung franchise na yan? Paano ba kami start ng business na ganyan? And then you offer them, and if freelance travel agent ang makapag-purchase ng ganon, yung mga sinira nila, they will earn $2,000 commission for the amount of the 8,000 na sa franchise travel agent natin, no? Ngayon, kung ang makakapagbenta naman is also franchise travel agency na siya. So as we've mentioned, we share them the intellectual property. So we share a split percentage to them, 50%. So meaning yung 8,000, they will earn 4,000 as part of the split share na ino-offer namin as a franchise travel agent po. So, yun po ang kaibahan between freelance travel agent and a franchise travel agency. So, mas malaki po ang rewards na natatanggap ng merong franchise travel agency po sa amin. Okay? So, ito na yung part ng ating programa about e-commerce platform. So, makikita niyo po rito, ito pong Live Good. I know for sure, meron na nakakaalam sa inyo nito, no? Itong Live Good. There are a kind of like membership program company, but also they have a drop shipping, which is yung mga wellness product na ibinebenta. Actually, to join with them, you need to pay at least $135, $150, no? A yearly membership. Pero, since you purchase or some of you purchase the master's class course with us, naturally, ito yung sinasabi namin kanina na binigay namin sa inyo ng libre. It's free yung inyong membership. Saan po kayo makakita ng ganong nag-o-offer? Wala po kayong makikita niyan, wala po kayong makahanap niyan. Ibig sabihin, sinagot namin yung membership nyo sa kanila, you are entitled to have yung mga rewards na makukuha nyo sa kanila for using the platform. And I'll explain that further sa inyo. Okay? So, as you can see here, ang produkto ng Live Good is nasa Amazon.com na at nasa Amazon.ca and they are global. So product like na makikita nyo, yung mga Ultra Magnesium Complex, yung mga supplements, itong Super Reds, no? This is kind of like a healthy wellness product na halos lahat, I think they are global, no? Yung Live Good. And para mas matutunan nyo yan, merong akong partner, si Reynold, which explain everything about details. Kaya nga meron kaming every Tuesday, magkakaroon kami ng trainings about travels as well as the e-commerce platform para mas maliwanagan nyo po itong aming sineshare sa inyo na free, libre po yan. Kasama na po dun sa pinurchase nyo na masterclass course sa amin, which is opportunity dun sa travels, no? So, napakarami pong isineshare namin sa inyo na value, no? And also, becoming a membership to them, right? They have an affiliate passive earnings potential na pwede nyong makuha or mag-get at magkaroon ng kita kahit wala kayong ginagawa because you are a member, sinagot na namin po kayo. And this is what I am telling you about, okay? Hang on. Sandali. Nag-jump. Okay. So, yung oh my goodness. Hang on. So, ito yung opportunity na pwede nyong ma-get sa Live Good, yung kanilang membership program na you will be entitled to earn 2,000 to 16,000 ways to earn sa kanila doon sa kanilang membership rewards program. Since bayad na kayo, wala na kayong iniintindi, no, na babayaran sa kanila, sinagot na namin kayo. And if you able to refer yung masterclass course, kasi doon sa masterclass course, kasama na yung Live Good. So, yung masashare nyo na kumuha ng masterclass course o yung sa opportunity ng two business na travels and e-commerce, madadamay nyo yung mga susunod na kukuha ng libreng Live Good, which entitle you na makapag-rank dito at pwedeng kumita po kayo 100% dito sa Live Good program ng membership nila. And malalaman niyo po yan as we go along dun sa aming mga presentation sa company na to, Who is Live Good. And anyway, this is free. It's a no-brainer. No-brainer po para pag-isipan niyo po yan. But of course, kailangan niyo rin pong matutunan yan. Anyway, not only the referral program yung makukuha niyo as members, pwede kayong magkaroon ng website dyan at ibenta nyo yung product retail sa inyong mga platform din sa inyong mga social media, no, sa lahat ng inyong platform on how you can market them, and tinuturo po namin yan, wag po kayong mag-alala. And finally, of course, no, I'm gonna leave you with letting you know saan nyo kami makikita, no, sa aming website, sa aming FB pages, official group page po natin, especially na mag-join po kayo doon sa YouTube, TikTok, and also yung ating YouTube account, no, that we are planning to explore, no, the Canada tour sa 2025. So suportahan nyo po yung aming ginagawa na yan kasi carry po namin lahat ng aming mga travel agent po, no. So, and I will leave you with the parting words quote, no? Sa lahat ng mga nakikinig, yung mga bago, no? Ang sinasabi dito is, success only come to those who dare to attempt. Let's say, pinakinggan mo lahat ng mga sinabi ko rito, and then at the end, you did not take action. Ano po mangyayari? Wale, no? So, only taking action is the best way to become or get a result, no? Kung pinakinggan mo and then sinasabi mo na gusto mong mag-business but you don't take action, wala pong mangyayari. Kaya if I were you, I will register right away. Once you get registered, we will contact you and we'll get you started dito sa program natin. Anyway, thank you so much. This is Oscar again from Liwaliw Travels. Have a great day. Bye.